The year 2024 was a shining one for precious metals like gold and silver, as both commodities saw their prices appreciate significantly. Gold prices, which were around 63,000 rupees per 10 grams at the beginning of the year, are now hovering around 78,000 rupees per 10 grams, registering a significant increase of almost 24%. During the same period, silver witnessed an appreciation of around 16%, crossing 91,000 rupees per kg at the end of the year, up from 78,600 rupees per kg at the beginning.
Compared to all the other asset classes, gold and silver have given a very strong and healthy returns. Now, if you compare it from calendar year perspective, then from January 64,000 odd levels gold at domestic levels, now it is trading above 75,000. So it is like 21% returns already. Even if we consider the retracement from the higher peak of around 30%, gold has given a good amount of healthy returns of 21% currently at 76,000.
स्टार्टिंग में जब ईयर शुरू हुआ था ना, तब रशिया का वॉर का हिसाब से यूएस ने बॉन्ड्स, रशिया की प्रॉपर्टीज, ये रशिया के सब एसेट्स वहाँ सीज कर दिए थे. तो द होल वर्ल्ड वोक अप फॉर दिस कि भाई कि हम यूएस में बॉन्ड्स में पैसा रखते हैं और कभी हमारे साथ ऐसा हो गया और सीज कर दिया, तो दे देन शिफ्टेड द ट्रेजेक्टरी टू गोल्ड कि भाई गोल्ड बाय करके हम अपने पास रखेंगे, इससे हमारी करेंसी भी स्ट्रांग होगी और हमारे पास सेफ कस्टडी में रहेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन यूएस. नाउ द होल वर्ल्ड इज ऑल दी सेंट्रल बैंक्स हैव thought about the purchase of gold instead of keeping it in bonds.
Over the last 5 years, domestic gold prices have doubled. In just over 2 decades, they have increased by an astonishing 10 times. Gold and silver are among the top choices for long-term investment due to their ability to provide both security and reasonably high returns for investors. Analysts are confident that the outlook for gold and silver in 2025 will remain positive, continuing the pace of appreciation seen in 2024.
So I'm projecting at around the levels of around 82 to 85,000 at least going ahead, between 82 to 85. On the best case scenario, that what I'm expecting is 85,000, and at least on the moderate side I'm expecting 80 to 82,000 on the gold prices. And if we talk about silver market, then the targeted area for silver will be around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 5,000 on the moderate side. And on the bull case scenario, if the EV plans out properly and the industrial demand picks up for base metal, then the base metal support and the gold support on total will eventually take the silver prices beyond 1,15,000 to 1,20,000 as well. So that is what my targeted projection is for 2025.
आने वाले 2025 में भी गोल्ड और सिल्वर बॉयंट रहेंगे, ऊपर ही रहेगा प्राइस, बट मैं गोल्ड के बनिस्बत सिल्वर में ज़्यादा तेजी देखता हूँ. सिल्वर हैज़ नॉट कॉट अप विद गोल्ड, सो सिल्वर को बहुत कैचअप करना है गोल्ड प्राइसेस के हिसाब से. तो सिल्वर विल बी बहुत डार्क हॉर्स रहेगा. और नेक्स्ट ईयर इंग्लैंड भी अगर 4 इंटरेस्ट रेट घटाती है और यूएस भी 2 इंटरेस्ट रेट 2 बार घटाएगी, तो उससे भी सिल्वर को बहुत फिलअप मिलेगा. इंडस्ट्रियल यूज सिल्वर का बहुत है, तो अगर इकोनॉमी सुधरती है तो सिल्वर का डिमांड बहुत तेजी से बढ़ेगा.
The volatility in crude oil prices, driven by ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and Ukraine, was one of the key factors behind the rise in gold and silver prices, according to experts.
इसके कई कारण है. सबसे बड़ा कारण इसमें वॉर और फेड की मीटिंग की, ब्याज दर की मीटिंग की बात की सरकार ने, और ये 2 मुख्य कारण रहे. बाकी कई कारण है. शादियों का कारण है, डॉलर इंडेक्स अप डाउन रहा और भरपूर शादियों के सीजन है, फेस्टिव सीजन भी है. कई कारण है. सोने और 2025 में और इससे भी तेज जाएगा.
In this journey of 2024, gold initially started its run up with geopolitical tensions, rising again. So previous years we had seen the Russia-Ukraine, geopolitical issues happening that escalated the triggers. Then new round of geopolitical issues, came from the Middle East tensions between the Israel and the Hamas, and with including the Iran also into it. So that infused more, firepower into the gold and silver rally.
Both metals are expected to experience further price appreciation in 2025, as there are no signs of any significant change in the geopolitical situation or in global economic uncertainties in the near future. Experts also forecast an expansion in demand from emerging markets, which would further support the appreciation of gold and silver prices in 2025.